Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan na babalik sa panibagong video kung saan ako maglaro ng customer support. Wala pa akong ideya sa game na to. I think magna-night shift tayo again. Like, night shift yung trabaho natin. And I think may mangyaring hindi maganda. So ano pa hinihintay natin? Lalaruin ko na siya. So it's the time to play this game. K-Tech, Electronics and Repair. Okay, but parang same lang sila nung nilaro kong isa. I think same developer naman sila. Hello? Hey there! Hey, there you are. Hey there, akala ko hey there. I need you to do me a favor for tonight. You're gonna have to handle customer support just for tonight, okay? Okay. Manager, you're the most experienced in tech out of all of us, so it shouldn't be a problem, right? Yeah, right. Yeah, no problem at all. I got it covered. Awesome to hear. I appreciate it. Make sure you do your normal tasks while you wait for the tech support calls. I'll call you in the morning. Sure. Okay. Mop the floors with the broom in the back room. But parang yung Roblox game siya ng horror game. Wait lang. So, you mean this? Hindi. Pang wipe yan, I think. Yeah, pang wipe yun ng glass, ng mirror. I don't know if ano pa. Bathroom. So, may tao sa bathroom. Someone's using the bathroom. Does someone use the bathroom? Or nandito yung bathroom? Mop the floors with the broom in the back room. Oh, back room. I thought bathroom. Yeah, back room. My bad. My bad. Akala ko bathroom. Backroom pala. Okay, mop the floors. I think may nagpaputok nito dito sa mirror. Okay, saan po yung ibang dumi? Sa loob, here. All goods. And what's next? Answer. Oh, putak. Tinagulat. Hello! Welcome to K-Tech Customer Support. How can I help you? I bought a mouse earlier today and it's not working at all. Hindi ko po kasalanan yan. Baka ibang daga yan. You plug into the PS2 port or USB. I think it's USB. But the cursor doesn't move. Just dead. Tried another port or restarting your computer. Well, baka ganun nga yung problema. Like, yung problema dun sa mouse niya. Ganyan yun eh. Like, baka maluwag na yung port. At ganun lang sinabi mo. Oh, my bad. Yeah, still nothing. Do I bring it back or what? Yeah, bring the receipt and box. We'll swap it or give you store credit. Cool. Do I need to call first or just show up? Siyempre, dadali mo yung mouse so magpakita ka sa akin. Just show up whenever you can. Alright, thanks man. No problem man. Take care. Love you. Restock the shelves from the back room. Okay, back room. I thought bathroom. Oh. What? Ayoko ng ganito eh. May jumpscare to eh. Pustahan. Sa mga gantong part. Jumpscare to eh. Wait lang. Saan to ilalagay? Here. So, yun lang. Dalawa lang. Answer the call ulit. Okay, answer the call. K-Tech. Okay. K-Tech Customer Support. How can I help you? Okay, I think halaban to. Obviously, sa kulay ng dialogue niya. Hey, I've got a weird issue with my portable radio. What kind of issue? Static? Not turning on? It turns on, but I can't get any station. Just fuzz. Like, you mean, or what? Hmm, could be at the antenna. Try extending it fully and make sure you're not near anything metal. Alright, I'll try that. If it doesn't work, I'll call back. Sounds good? Okay, binaba niya lang ng dire-diretso. Okay, fill up an empty trash bag with return product behind. What do you mean? You mean this one? Put the trash bag with the rest of the trash near the door. You mean here? Oh, ba't parang tao yan nakalagay dyan? Okay, I think may jump scare. Wala. So, tumawag ulit siya. Okay, to customer support, how can I help you? Hi, do you have those floppy disk holders and plastic? See, may kita mo naman sa dialogue kung masama o hindi yung isang tao eh. White siya, ibig sabihin angel. The plastic ones. Yeah, we've got some on the black wall near the box's keyboard. Cool, I'll drop by tomorrow. Thanks. Sure thing. Ay, Jay, nantok ako. Wala tayong task. Or maghihintay lang tayo na patayin tayo. K-Tech Customer Support. How can I help you? Okay, ito na naman siya. Hey, it's me again. That didn't work. Still all static. Alright. Could be the turner then. Try turning it all and way up down slowly. Might be stuck or off track. Got it. I'll give that a shot. It's a bit of a dated model, so it won't surprise me. Appreciate it. No problem. Hangs up. These people and their ancient tech, I swear. I mean, sure ka bang na draft mo yung phone bago ka magsalita ng ganun? I think hindi. Feel ko narinig ata ng customer yon. Take out all the collect trash. Minsan. Oh, it's kinda Roblox game, you know. Like, ano yung Roblox? If nalaro nyo yung horror games sa Roblox, well, let's see. Ayaw pula nakapasok. Okay, nakabahan ako, natata ko. Okay, to customer support, how can I help you? Do you have a mouse pad with wrist cushions? Yeah, black or blue, mostly near the counter. Nice, I'll stop by in the morning. Alright, see you then. Clean the window with... Okay. Gets. Okay, medyo... natakot na ako ah. Ah! Okay. Okay, sa... kanto tayo. Answer the call, okay. I think, yun naman yung customer na masama. Sa tingin ko lang. If hindi pa rin gumana, pokpok mo sa ulo mo. Okay, to customers, how can I help you? Hey, I just wanted to say I got it working. Great, glad to hear it. You said something funny earlier about people. What the heck? Sabi ko na eh. I knew it. Doon pa lang sa dialogue na hangs up. Like, pagka hangs up, alam mo na, hindi pa siya nakapag-hangs up eh. You said something funny earlier about people and their ancient tech. Well, I prove you wrong. You what? Bro, narinig niya yun, nalata. Maririnig niya yun eh. Di mo pa na-hangs up yung... Lagot ka. At hinayaan mo muna siya yung bumaba. You should be careful next time. Did you hear that? Dot. Right. Have a good night. Oh no, I think tayo na yung magiging mousepad. Or tayo yung mouse, I mean radio. Okay, tech support. How can I help you? Hey, do you still carry those beach IBM keyboards? Yeah, a few in the storage. We'll have to ask at the day staff though. Cool, thanks. Sure thing. Oh, man, ang creepy. Sana walang manghabol. I hope. Answer the phone again. Oh, man. Huling trabaho mo na to? Sa tingin ko lang. that. I'm coming to the store. Excuse me. You've been real helpful tonight. I think it's time to... I think it's time we met in person. Hey, who are you? I think you can figure that out on your own. This isn't funny. Oh, I'm not laughing. We should lock the doors. Hangs up. I'm calling 911. Dialing 911. So you're dialing on 911 and I think siya yan na yung tinawagan mo 911. That. Hello? Is this 911? You can do better than that. What? How? That. I'm on my way. I'm panicking. What am I supposed to do? Stay and hide? Stay and hide in the building? It's either nandito siya o nandito. Oh, ayan yung sasakyan niya. Oh no, he actually came. And he saw me. I better go hide. Go hide in the back room. Open the door. This can go two ways. Open the door and it will be painless. What do you mean painless? Painless extra big pancit canton? Or I'll force my way in. You can't escape. Get away from me. That. Kala mo naman may magagawa sa'yo yung get away from me. Make your choice now. You have 15 seconds. Okay, I think open the door for the killer or stay and keep hiding. Stay and keep hiding. I think the best spot yun. Damn move. It's a metal door. You can't break it down. That. Watch me, Ayla. Watch me, Nene. Shame. Oh, nakakaya nga. Opening the door. Opening the door would be a far less painful death. No! Get away from me! Too late. Oh, man! Nagripuhan na nga. Ano to? And mag-choose na tayo kung anong magiging daan natin. I mean, magiging kalabasan ng resulta like this action will have consequences. What if gawin muna natin yung stay and hide? Let's go, stay and hide. And after that, gawin natin yung ang tawag dun? Papasukin natin siya. Sabi hindi naman daw maging painless extra big pancit canton eh. So I think hindi magiging brutal yung gagawin niya sa atin. Like papaluwagin lang yung puwertahan natin, I think. Oh no, he actually came. And he saw me. I better go hide. Okay. I think papasukin natin siya and hindi magiging painless. I mean, yeah, painless yung sakit. Open the door. This can, 2 days. Okay, painless. Canton. Can escape. Get away from me. Make your choice now. Open the door. What if open natin yung door? Smart boy. Smart boy. Tapos bilang, okay, ending 2 out of 3. Painless ending. Paano naging painless ending yun? Hindi ko nga alam ano nangyari. Like, hindi natin alam kung ano nangyari sa kanya. Like, pinaluwag ba yung puwerta ng bida or pinutol yung ari or anong ginawa sa kanya, like tinali ba sa kanya sa leeg niya yung radyo, I don't know. I'm panicking. What am I supposed to do? Run. I think bababanggain niya tayo. I think babanggain niya tayo eh. So tumakbo tayo. Oh, see? No, see. No, see, bala. See. Sino? Sino ba sila? If you enjoy the game, hope paano hopeful ending yung banggain ka? Mabangga ka lang, mabangga ka nga lang ng full charge na e-bike, patay na eh. Sakyan pa kaya? Pambihirang game to. Credits. Oy, laro ako nung sad. So what if tumakas tayo? Let's see. I mean, ang gagawin natin is, diba, pagbubuksan natin siya, hindi natin siya pagbubuksan. I mean, sa kabila. Okay, 911. Like, ang gagawin natin is, pagtatago, diya dun siya sa may metal door sa kabila. Dito tayo lalabas. Dito sa harap. What am I supposed to do? Stay and hide. Okay, stay and hide. So, diba dun siya sa metal door dito? Ayan, dyan siya papasok. And, ang gagawin ko is, ito yung babuksan natin. Para makalabas tayo. I think may secret ending to eh. Di ko lang sure. Oh, okay, ayan na siya. Oh no, he actually came. He saw me, I better go hide. Oh. Open the door, okay. Okay, hindi mapindot. Di ka ba pwede magtago sa CR? The move. It's a metal door, you can't break it. Nakakatawa sa part na yun eh, like, it's a metal door, di mo yung mabubuksan, boy. Hindi mo yung mabubuksan kasi bakal na pinto yan. So, do you think makakapasok ka dito? Na hell na. As ito na yun. Kayabangan kasi. Okay, ayun na siya. Shame. Yeah, shame. Opening the door would be the far less painful death. No! Get away from me! Too late. Ba't parang nag-running man siya? I'm panicking. Ito na yun. Okay, run. Kaliwa tayo daan. Oh. Oh. Doon pa rin pala talaga. Akala ko. May secret ending tong game na to. Wala rin pala. Wala, babangga ka rin. So, paano niya natalaman na tayo yung isang worker dun sa service na yun? Hopeful ending, yeah. Hopeful ending. Nabanggain ka ng sasakyan. Naka full charge yun. I mean, yung charge niya yung parang takbo. Sobrang bilis na. What the heck? Mas hopeful ending. Paano hopeful? Hindi yung hopeful ending yun eh. Yung mabanggaan sa sasakyan. Like hell na, bro. Paano naging hopeful ending? Yung wala bang good ending o secret ending to dito? Kasi, once na, wait lang, parang confused ako sa part na dito siya nagparking, pumunta siya dito siya pupunta, at bakit nasa metal door na siya sa likod? Paano niya nalamang may metal door sa likod ng store? O ano? I think siya yung manager nitong store. Hindi ko lang sure. Baka, like, men, ang gulo, wala naman lang nangyari. So, dahil lang ba sa maliit na bagay sa nasabi kong yun, yeah, I think makaka-offend tayo na magkakaroon talaga tayo ng kaaway. And yun nga, nangyari sa atin. Naging painless yung pagkamatay natin or mas more than less yung pagkamatay natin. And thank you sa panonood. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panibawang video. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.